Xenon is hardly known, but is one of the most vital elements for survival in space. The element that I chose to adopt is xenon, which has the chemical symbol of Xe. It is located on the very far right of the periodic table, under the element similar to xenon, helium. It has 54 protons, 77 neutrons, and 54 electrons in one of its atoms. These particles make up the atom. Xenon is very similar to other elements in its family, for example, argon. The family includes helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. They are similar in the way that, for one, they are all gases, and two, they all have the same structure of electrons. They are all not very reactive because of their atom structure. It does not want to react with other atoms. Morris Travers and William Ramsey discovered this family. The way that these scientists discovered xenon was by fractionally distilling the liquid air. They then found a thin, light blue light where they did their experiment. The discovery was mostly a mistake. Xenon is a gas that's abundance is very low compared to oxygen, which is everywhere on Earth. It's used in lots of things people use every day. The Earth's atmosphere only has 0.1 part per million of xenon. Scientists have discovered that Mars may have the same amount of xenon in its atmosphere as Earth's. Xenon is a gas that is used whenever a daylight light is needed. For example, xenon is used in photography when the flash is used. It is also used in other things like strobe lights, and like I said earlier, space travel. Xenon is one of the most vital elements for survival in space. It is used in what is called a modern ion thruster. A modern ion thruster ionizes the particles and ionizes particles and makes sure that there is no currents of a rare explosion that has to do with chemicals. Ionizing means that the item that is ionizing changes the particles so they won't react. Another use of xenon is in lamps. When an electric current goes through xenon, it turns into a light blue or a bright sunlight light. A couple last main uses of xenon is in medicine. Ultraviolet lights used to sterilize laboratory equipment may also contain xenon. Another very important use of xenon is that it is used for radiation detection. Even though there's so little of xenon, you can buy it. The cost of buying it pure is $120 per 100 gram. You can also make it yourself since it was discovered when liquid air was fractionally distilled. Xenon's symbol is Xe. It's hardly known, but is used in things people use every day, and also not every day. Survival in space wouldn't be possible without xenon.